In this video, I'll show you how to apply promo code in 1xbet. This is very easy. Subscribe to this channel if you find the video helpful. So to apply a promo code, here's what you should do. First thing first, you have to click on registration and then choose email. You're choosing email because this is the only option that promo code is going to work with. The other three options, promo code is not going to work with them. So choose by email, fill in your surname and then your country. You're going to choose the country where you're from. So for instance, you can be from Japan. Their currency is going to change to the Japanese yen. Put in your date of birth and then your email address. As you choose your email address, use an email address that is valid and active. Then use your phone number and then create a password. To create a password, you're going to follow these four requirements. So your password must contain at least 8 characters, must has at least 3 types of characters, must not be commonly used, and no more than 25% may be repeated characters. Once that is done, in the promo code box here, you're going to use the promo code LEOTV. So how do you apply this promo code? First of all, this promo code means that if you deposit any amount, you're going to receive a 300% bonus on that amount. You deposit 10,000, you receive 30,000. So to apply this, you have to click on these three boxes and then go ahead and register. And for it to work, all your details must be correct. So once that is done, complete your first deposit immediately and you're going to receive your bonus if you use the promo code LEOTV.